The Whirlpool washer E1F6 error code indicates a communication breakdown between the control board and the motor, which can be caused by a software glitch, a faulty control board, or a faulty motorboard unit. To resolve this issue, restarting the machine is often a good first step, as the error may be the result of a temporary system glitch or connectivity issue. To do this, simply power off the machine, unplug it from the power source, and let it sit for about 5 minutes before plugging it back in and powering it up. If this does not work, inspecting the control board is the next step. This involves powering off the machine, unplugging it from the power source, and removing the top panel to access the control board, where you can check for damage, burns, or damaged wires, replacing any damaged elements with new ones before reassembling the machine and powering it back up. Additionally, inspecting the motorboard unit may also be necessary, which requires disconnecting the washer from the power source, moving it away from the wall to access the back panel, removing the panel to access the motorboard unit, and checking for loose wires and damage, tightening any loose wires and replacing any damaged parts before powering the machine back up. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further guidance.